Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro gini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka jingyalang jungka Kabinet hapo ka jingyalam Menteri Rangba ka jila Konrad ki sangma kala shimrai ban menjur ya shibun ki mat ki bakongsan ban Pynkyntiew ya kasin syarpat ba barkaroi kapar ha ka jila Meghalaya. Kini gidi ki benta bah khmat na ka jingyalang Kabaningkong Pynkyntiew ya ki project jangka PWD buildings, ka Kabinet kala menjur ya ki jingtei berki project penroi, hapo katanat PWD buildings ki bakentup kashna ya ki office sarkar, bathamai staff quarters berkiwi ki jingtei ha ki district bapher jong ka jilla. Kabaar penrong ya ka National Generic Document Registration System, NGDRS. Banwanra ka jing sunray ba ka jing shngan ha ka jing register ya ki kot kisla joka ka sarkar kala rai ban pentray kam ya ka NGDRS habaro ka jilla. Kane ka system kan pelan na ka jing tho kon dakikti bat pelong ya ka jing shakri pat ba ka bashay bat sung. Kabalai Pynkyntiew ya ka Meghalaya Skill Development Society MSDS. Ka Kabinet kala menjur ban Pynkala bat Pynklan ya ka MSDS ba kantray kam katkum kajuk minta. Da ka babu kerpang na ka benta ki samla ha kalyang ka yok kam yok jam bat kasap tray kam. Kabasaw thung kam thamai ha kitanat sarkar ka sarkar kala menjur ban thau ya shibun ki post thamai ha kitanat sarkar kum ka puli puthi ka kot ka khya ka rep ka ri bat ki wei. Kani kalong ban pinbha shushu ya kajing shakri sha ki pat ba. Kabasan Pynkalay ka tulap jong kinong tray VECS ka Kabinet kalapdiang ya kajing Pynkala ha ka tulap kasong jing yarap honorarium jong kinong tray hapo ki Village Employment Councils VECS. Bakring benta ha ka sinshar shnong ha ki than nong kendong. Menteri Rangba ola banjur ba ka sarkar kada shimkhya ban Pynkalano sya ka sinshar pat ba ka bada kilat digital bat ban penduna ya ka jing penon kam kon ka thong kalong ban pelong ya ka jing pentray kam sarkar ka basuk ka bashay bat ka badan jing klan ha ka technology.
And we had 21 items to be discussed. And out of that, 2 items we have not clear today because we have asked for further clarification and amendments. And 19 items were finally taken up and approved. The first 2 was a policy and a legal framework for motorcycles and vehicles to be rented out to tourists and to people. As you're aware that many tourists come to our state and they rent vehicles from the private individuals, and till date there has not been a mechanism to actually regulate for the overall regulation of the sector as well as overall safety of the tourist. So we have come out with a policy on this matter, and we are now going to regulate it, and people who are interested in renting out the bikes and vehicles to the tourist will have to now register with the transport department to be able to rent their vehicles to tourists in the future. So those were the first 2. One was for vehicles and one was for motorcycles. The third agenda we took up in the Cabinet was the extension of the lease for Polo Orchid and Jiva Resort in Sora. As you're aware, in the beginning, the resort, both Jiva and Polo, was given about close to about 30 years of lease, and they were paying a certain amount to the state government based on the lease. So So earlier it was leased out for 10 years to each one of them, and they were paying 2 lakhs by the Polo, 2 lakhs per month, and 2,48,000 by the Jiva Resort. Then in between, we extended the lease to 8 years for Orchid, Polo, and 5 years for Jiva. In between that, we have now leased out many properties to different private players, and we have extended the lease years to up to 60 years so that the feasibility of the project comes out. So based on that, the Orchid and Polo as well as the Jiva Resort have requested the government if they can also get another 30 years of lease based on the steps taken by the government to give to the new parties that are coming in today. So therefore, this came to the Cabinet, and Cabinet has looked at this, and we have approved this increase of lease of 30 years more to both of them. And we have also decided to increase the amount that they pay to 4% of their gross revenue, which is what is the benchmark for the other resorts that are coming up in that area and in the different parts of the state. So therefore, from 2 lakhs and 2,48,000, they will now have to give us a part of their revenue, which is about 4%, is what has been decided. And at the same time, they will have to give an annual lease rental of 5 lakh rupees also to the government. So this was the third decision we took. We had a large number of service rules. So I'll just go into the service rules directly. So we had amended the Meghalaya Subordinate Treasury Accounts Service Rule. We have also amended the Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rule 2024. We have also amended the Meghalaya Nursing Homes Licensing and Registration Rules 2015. We have also amended the Meghalaya Judicial Service Rules 2006 and Meghalaya Higher Judicial Service Rules 2015. We have also amended the Meghalaya Police Telecommunication Service Rules 2010. We have also amended the Meghalaya Directorate Establishment Ministerial Service Rules 2025. Yeah, so these are the rules that were today, service rules which were amended today.